So hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can transfer all your WordPress posts to your blogger.com blog. So I've created this one WordPress to blogger tutorial.blogspot.com blog. As you can see, it is empty, and you can also see the dashboard. There are no posts or any drafts here. As you can see, this will lead here if I click on view blog, and I have this Tailwind WP, and which is hosted on my localhost website, and bunch of posts here, dummy posts. So what I'll do is I'll just import all this, move this, and I'll show you the process for it. And first things first, you need to go to your plugins and install plugins, and you need to install this plugin called Export to Blogger. I'll show you the one. Export to Blogger. Once you have done this, this is the one with this thumbnail with the WordPress and Blogger, and the author is AMTBTK. This is the one you need to install. So once you have installed this plugin, you need to go back here to the plugins folder, install plugins folder, and then there is a setting called Export to Blogger, and then there is this link with the settings. So you need to choose what kind of things you want to export. For example, there as of now there is only two ways that two things that you can transfer from WordPress to Blogger, so which are posts and pages. So what I'll do is I'll just just transfer all my posts, and then I'll just see what kind of post I want. The any is set to all by default. Any is just all, that will send all published post, draft post, future, private, trash, etc. So I'll just see. You can also set what categories and tags you want. If there are tags, that it will show up all here, and you can just transfer those posts. I'll just select this one, select category to export, and I'll just select all of this, and then I'll just export this XML file. It looks good. And then we have this Tailwind WordPress 2025 and 4.xml. So we'll just go to Blogger, and then go to settings, and then go all the way down here and import content. We can click here, import contents, then just click, uncheck this, and then click import, and then select that file that you have just downloaded, and it will take just like 1 or 2 minutes. As you can see, the time is now 9:16, and by 9:17 or 9:18 it should be done. I'll just fast forward this video and I'll show you. Let's go back to the posts. As you can see, it's not even 9:17, not even 1 minute. All the posts are here. So as you can see, so what you need to do is just go back here, and you need to set all these you need to set a few things like what kind of font you want, and all of those things. And then you can also go and here set your permalink. What was your permalink, but it will be different because blogger.com has this like .html extension by the end, and if you had a .html extension at the end on your WordPress website, it's good, but if not, then that could be a problem. So this is the here you can just set your permalink, what permalink you want, and okay, then let's publish this and see. And just I want this Georgia. Okay, so publish this, and then we'll confirm this. As you can see, the post is now live. Okay, and this is the post, and you need to also see that there are no thumbnails here. And if you have a theme, it will also not show thumbnails here. So what you need to do is you need to add one image here between, like somewhere here. So here, so or anywhere in the post, and that will be taken as thumbnail for the Blogger blogs. And so this was the tutorial on how to export all your WordPress post to Blogger. And let's once try all these posts as well. If I have any post, let's check. Okay, I have one post here, and I'll just trash it, and I have one post here. Okay, so I'll just go here to plugins, then you need to go to export, and I'll just try this same. Okay, export.xml, and then I'll go here and back, Okay, and then import. Okay, so I cannot import now, so we can try it later and see, but as of now you can see that my posts have been imported successfully, and you can just set thumbnails and do all those things. But if you are a professional blogger, I do not suggest you to move to Blogger, as Blogger has limited functionalities, and even you do not have the link cloaking. Like, let's say if you want your users to visit a website an affiliate website, uh, the Blogger doesn't have the cloaking facilities, whereas on WordPress there are tons of plugins that can let you cloak your links. Like let's say if you want to redirect google.com through your website, then let's say example.com/google. When users go here, then they will be redirected to Google, but that functionality is not available on blogger.com. So if you are professional, or if you are someone who creates like professional websites, I do not encourage you to use the Blogger. It is only for those who write just like basic blogs, or someone whose activity or passion is like just writing, and that in that case it is justified. But if you are a professional blogger, I'll just suggest you use WordPress, and you can use the hosting. I have given the link in my description. You can also use that, and this is it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. That is it. Thank you.